Here's the hard truth. You're not getting any views because your content strategy doesn't align with what people are searching for on YouTube. Your content needs to be what people are actively searching for on YouTube. And most small YouTubers, they make these mistakes. Uploading whatever you feel like instead of what your audience wants, ignoring your title and thumbnails, and also creating good content that nobody is searching for. Again, if it isn't being searched for, nobody is likely to watch it. You don't need better cameras. You don't need better equipment. What you need is better strategy. Now I'm going to let you know the view boost formula. So this is my 3-part approach that helped me go from random uploads to videos that consistently pull 200, 300, 500, 1,000 views. The first thing is to pick searchable topics. You can use tools like the YouTube search bar. I already made a video on how you can use the YouTube search bar to generate titles and tags. I'm going to link that for you. You can use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy, and you can also ask your audience in the comments or your community tab what they are struggling with and give them the solution to that problem. Because that way you already know that this is something they struggle with. This is a topic they want to watch, they want to listen to because they need solution to that problem. So you are definitely guaranteed to get views on such a video. For example, instead of you to say how I edit my videos, you could try how to edit YouTube videos on your phone, free apps only. That is likely to get more clicks than just the generic how I edit my video. So you have to create fast click titles and thumbnails. Your CTR, like I always say, it's everything. It's the cover of your video, the title and the thumbnail. Before people can be enticed to want to watch that video, the title and the thumbnail have to draw them in. So you need to work on that. 3 is to double down on what's working. Once you find something that works, something that people are actually relating to, coming back to watch, you notice that it's getting more views, getting more attention, getting more traction, double down on it. Release more of that, milk that idea and continue milking it. You can make follow-up of those videos, make a part 2, make a series. Do not reinvent the wheel. Just double down on what works. So now I'm going to let you know what I started doing different that made me see changes in my YouTube channel. This is where I flipped my own results. I stopped filming random value videos and I started, targeting particular problems specifically and solving them. You can always do random value videos. You are giving value. Yes, the video might be giving value, but you need your audience to want to come back. You need them to be returning subscribers, returning viewers. So you need to double down on a specific problem that, they know now that this person can solve this problem. They will keep coming back to your channel to get solution to those kind of problems. Analyze what videos were getting the most traffic and repeated that topic from a new angle. It's your channel. You can make the same videos and just twist the way you deliver the message. Tweak the title to look like something different, but also solving the same problem. These are inside tips that people actually use to keep their subscribers coming back. And lastly, I treated every upload like a mini launch. The title, the thumbnail, the first 30 seconds, everything. Treated it like I was launching a new business or launching a new product. And the result of this is that my videos started getting more than 100 views for every video. So whenever I post a video, I am guaranteed more than 100 views, more than 150 views, sometimes more than 200 views, instead of it just sitting dead for days. Now I'm going to let you know how to plan your next 3 videos with a content strategy. The first thing to do is to find one keyword you want to rank for. Is it YouTube views? Example, any word in your niche is what I'm talking about. It could be YouTube views, YouTube growth, how to get subscribers, how to get watch hour, how to get monetized. Just find one keyword you want to rank for. Next, you make 3 videos on that particular keyword, that topic, from 3 different angles. Then lastly, you use similar title and thumbnail style. This builds binge-worthy content and increases your chances of getting recommended by YouTube. Now, before you upload, I'm going to give you a checklist that you need to check before you publicize your video to the world, to the internet. These are the things you need to check for. Is this topic searched on YouTube? Is the title clickable and curiosity driven? Did I spend time designing an eye-catchy thumbnail? Does my hook in the first 30 seconds catch attention? Like you grab someone's attention to keep watching? Then lastly, did I add end screen tags and pinned comments? Because that is also very important. So these 5 things, make sure you do them before every upload, before your video goes public. Do them, do not skip it, and you'll see the difference in your video views. You really don't need to be famous to grow. A lot of people are not famous, but they have a very tight-knit, loyal community, and they are growing. And they are doing what they love doing, and they are also getting paid for doing that. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Every video you post with a clear strategy takes you one step closer to your breakout moment. Even if it's not a viral video, a video doesn't have to go viral like 200k views, 1 million views before it does well. If your video have 5k views, 10k views, that is great. If you follow everything I have said in this video and keep adjusting, you will see tremendous growth in your views. So lastly, I made a viral prompt ebook. This ebook, you need it if you want your views to change tremendously, you want your views to grow. You need this ebook, and it is very affordable. It's just 5,000 naira. This ebook covers every single niche, every single angle, whether it's title, whether it's thumbnail, whether it's video idea, scripting, whatever. The whole prompt is there, 20 plus prompts to get your channel to virality. So if you're interested in this ebook, send me an email, stefanymikeworks@gmail.com, or you can easily join the Telegram group. The link is in the description, and send me a message over there. Okay. It's very cheap, affordable, and it has a lot of value. It is value packed. So you don't want to miss it while it's still out. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. Do make sure to share this video to someone that would love their views to actually increase organically, and also like the video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I will be answering questions. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.